Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing two hairstyles for you, and this is spring inspired. Now my hair has been twisted out a couple days ago, and in the back I have two plaits because I want the back to be of a different texture to the front. So what I'm going to do is start unraveling my hair, but first I'm going to use some oil because my hair is dry, child. So I'm going to just put some oil all over my hair to make it a little bit more shiny and a little bit more soft, even though that didn't really help. Anywho, we're just going to unravel the twist and then we're going to proceed to styling this hair. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. So basically guys, this is going to be a half up, half down. As you can see, I've left the two plaits in the back and I'm just going to go ahead and do the top half. And what I'm doing here is parting out the side. It's this half up, half down is going to be with a twist, as you will see. So I'm going to do is part out the side right there and proceed to cornrow that bit. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. This is optional, you guys. You can either twist or cornrow this bit, but for me, I find that cornrowing it makes it last longer, but I'm not going to cornrow or plait it out to the end because it's hard to, unravel. So I'm going to twist the end, as you will see me doing. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is and basically repeat the same step on the other side. The upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Okay, so now that I've cornrowed both sides of my hair, I'm going to go ahead and pull that top bit together. I'm going to brush it in so that everything looks nice and sleek. And I'm going to go ahead and use a hairband and tie that and leave the ends loose. So to slick down my edges, I'll be using the As I Am smoothing gel, and this is optional, you guys. You don't have to slick down your edges or make any baby hair. It's up to you. And I love this gel because it smells so divine, and it really helps my edges to stay in place. And a friend of mine, Licia, aka Fro Ventures of Licia, put me onto this gel, and I really do like it. Darling, I'm just so fed up. Okay, so after I finish the front, I'm going to go ahead and apply some oil to the back and unravel the two plaits in the back, making sure that I don't take away too much of the curls whilst I'm unraveling. The upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Okay, so after unraveling the back, we're going to go ahead and just tuck in the top bits. It's not going to be neat or anything. I'm just going to use some bobby pins to kind of tuck the top bit into the sides. If you watch what I'm doing, I can't really explain it, but as you can see, I'm kind of pinning the ends, tucking them underneath so that they don't just hang loose. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Okay, so after I've done the top, I've tucked in the loose ends. I'm going to go ahead and use some more gel to just, you know, sleek down the little baby hair that are sticking out to make sure that everything ties in nicely together, and fluff up the back a little bit so it looks, so it has a little bit more volume.
Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get.
So because this video is spring inspired, of course, I'm a flower child. I love flowers, so I decided to add a mixture of different colors to my hair to make it come alive. Then I'm going to add some pink earrings in, and that is number 1 completed.
Oh, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
Okay guys, so this is going to be style number 2, and this is for the ladies who don't want to wear their hair on their backs, or if they're going to work or school, this is more appropriate for spring. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and cornrow the back half of my hair. As you can see, I'm going to cornrow that all the way down after parting it in 2. Don't mind that little bit I've cornrowed in it. We can fix that later on. But as you can see, I am going to go ahead and cornrow both bits I've just parted in half.
Switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia. Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down.
And that's basically it guys. All I did was cornrow the back and added some more flowers because of course it's spring and we're happy it's getting warmer. So this is style number 2. Let me know which one you liked best. Let me know which one you would rock, or if you'd rock it with the flowers or without the flowers. Please let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed these styles. If you're going to rock them, let me know as well. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, turn your notifications on, and leave me a comment down below to let me know if you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.